just keep operating and keep gathering intelligence, and that's the key to bringing down the drug, the activities of the drug syndicates dito sa Pilipinas.
Babalan nyo, sir, sa mga drug syndicate.
Ano?
Yung babalan nyo po sa mga drug syndicate na hindi tumitigil sa kanilang ano.
Ay, hindi ako nakikipag... Bahala kayo sa ginagawa niyo. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang kami. Aabutan din namin kayo. Maliit lang ang Pilipinas.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Mr. President. Sir, what's your... will the government po change tactics in this government war on drugs following this incident? And are you alarmed by this biggest drug haul in the country?
No, quite the contrary. Why will we change? Look at the success that we have gained. As I said, not only this 1.8 tons, the many, many tons that we have already seized. So it's much more than it has been in the past. So it is the most successful approach to the drug war so far. So why will we change it? We won't change it. We'll continue to do what we are doing. Of course, I cannot explain to you the details of what we are doing, but we will continue to do what we are doing. And that's the reason I think that so far we have been able to see such a big amount of generally shabu or methamphetamine. Yeah, so we'll just keep going. We'll just keep doing what we're doing.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Also, he cannot, before you start asking questions, I'll warn you, he cannot talk about operational details. Kaya pag bigla kaming sasabat at sasabihin namin wag siyang sasagot, that's because it's still ongoing. But he can tell you what happened.
Ano po nangyari, sir?
Good morning po.
Pakilala ka.
Nakabahan si sir.
Alam mo, sa training sa military at saka sa police, walang training para makakaharap sa press. Kahit kumarap sa bala, kaya namin, pero kumarap sa press.
So, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, sa ating mahal na Pangulo, Sir, sa lahat mo narito. Sa ngayon po, hindi pa po kami makakapagbigay ng eksaktong detalye ng pangyayari kung paano namin nasabat itong gantong kalaking halaga kasi umuusad pa rin po yung aming investigasyon. Ano po, ayaw po namin makompromiso yung mangyayaring hanggat may sampa po namin yung kaso laban po dun sa tao. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat po.
Alice, sabihin mo na-intercept niyo sa roadblock.
So, meron po kaming regular na checkpoint na sinasagawa po dito sa bayan na Latagtag. So, as part of intensified crime prevention. So, part of it, pina-flag down po namin yung mga sasakyan kung mayroong suspicious po. So, yun po, sinasubject po namin for inspection po. So yun po, kagaya po na nangyari dito po sa pangyayaring ito, yun po ang naging resulta. Nasabat po namin yung ganitong kalaking halaga po ng shabu po.
Ayos. Field promotion. That is why he is now wearing the insignia of a major.
And Mr. President, for information, we mentioned also yesterday, the province of Batangas will give the not only plaque of recognition, but also financial recognition reward to our Major De Luna of 100,000 pesos.
Para
which
sa
we will-
para sa unit ninyo.
Thank you, sir.
Alright. Para patuloy ang inyong drug war.
Of course, it is very necessary that we recognize. Talagang we have to present them as example of the vigilance that has to be exercised. Ito, hindi lang daang libo, milyon-milyon ang iniligtas sa operation na ito. Dahil sa napakaraming mapipinsala, masisira ang buhay. Ha? At marami pang saling lahi, mabutit ngayon sa pamamagitan ng programa ng ating presidente laban sa drug war at sa pagpapaganap ng ating DILG ng ating ay talagang at dito rin ang ating community ay kaagad ay binaligiran kaya hindi nakikita kung ano ang masamang nangyayari.
Okay. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Good morning.